I am making a peelable charcoal face mask. This peelable charcoal face mask is very good to take off your blackheads, your whiteheads, and it closes up your open pores. Yes, it closes up those large open pores on your face. Very good for oil control. It controls the oil production on your face. So watch this video to the end. Don't go anywhere, because at the end of this video I have a little secret to give to you. In case you want to be producing this peelable face mask for sale, I will tell you how to go about it. But for the meantime, let's start making our peelable charcoal face mask. So don't go anywhere, and if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and please turn on your notification bell below so that when I upload many of my videos that are yet to come, you will be notified. All right, let's start making this peelable face mask now. So in today's video I'll be making our peelable charcoal mask. So this charcoal mask is gonna take off your blackhead. It's also gonna take off your whitehead. Very good for acne prone skin. It will clear off your acne. It also controls the oil production on your face. It's very good for, especially for the acne people, the oily skin. This charcoal mask I'm about to do now is for you. And again, it's not just like mixing powders together and then you start mixing with water before applying. It's not just like the normal clay mask. It's not just like the normal mask. This one is a peelable cream charcoal mask. So let's start. So I'll be using my gelatin. This is my gelatin. I got it from those people selling baking ingredients. Yeah, I got those from them. Gelatin. This is unflavored gelatin. And I have my green tea. I have my charcoal. I have my bentonite clay. Yeah, I have my bentonite clay. And I have my lemon oil. Yeah, you can make use of your lemon. You can make use of your tea tree oil, but I don't have that available right now. I'm using my lemon oil. Lemon oil is very good for your face. It's good for acne. It's good for face brightening. So I'll be making use of my lemon oil. This is an essential oil, so I'll be needing just 0.5% of this. So guys, the first thing I'll be doing is for me to infuse this. I actually heated up a distilled water. That's what I'm using. So I will allow this green tea to infuse, because I'll be making use of the water. So I'll let it infuse. So here is the green tea infused water. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is for me to add in my gelatin. I'll be adding in a tablespoon of my gelatin. Please make sure everything you're using is well sanitized. I'm adding in a tablespoon of my gelatin powder. A tablespoon of my gelatin powder. Then you give it a nice stir. Yeah, it takes time a bit before it melts. Just try all your best and melt. Try and melt. Like I said, you can get gelatin from what do they call these people that sells baking flour, that sells flour, things you use in baking. Yeah, you can get this from them. What's the name of these people that sells ingredient for baking bread, your cake? You can actually get this from them. So I'm trying to dissolve my gelatin. This gelatin acts as an emulsifier because it's this gelatin that will bind my powders together. So you can see it's thick. So the next thing I'll be doing is for me to add in my powders. So I'll be adding in a tablespoon of my clay. Then here is my charcoal. A tablespoon of your bentonite clay. Then 2 tablespoons of your charcoal. That's the way you mix this. A tablespoon of the bentonite clay, 2 tablespoons of your charcoal. You can see. So the next thing I'll be adding in my essential oil. I'll just be adding in a drop. Yeah, I added just a drop. This lemon essential oil is very, very strong. This one I bought. It's a UK product. Is very, very strong. And normally if you're to use lemon essential oil or any other essential oil, you're not to use more than 2%. So you are to use 0.5 to 2% of any essential oil you're using, and it has to be diluted with the carrier oil. So I added my lemon essential oil, just a drop. The drop I added has overtaken the whole smell of this. I hope you can see. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is that I will be applying this on my face. You can see. So what I'm doing is that I'm spraying with my rubbing alcohol just to sanitize my container. So I sanitize my container and I wiped it off with a clean paper towel. Guys, if you're watching this video, watch this video to the end, because I would like to give you a little gift. Like, I will tell you a little secret, especially if you want to sell this. I'll be telling you how to go about it. Here's my face mask. Can you see my face mask? So guys, it's night time and I've not taken my bath. Yeah, so I want to apply this face mask. Then I'll go to the bedroom and wash off. Then I'll have my bath. My face is producing oil, so for me, I'll be making use of my hand. I've washed my hand clean. I'll be making use of my hand, but you can make use of your foundation brush. Yeah, I'll be making use of my hand. I have washed that clean, so I think applying with my hand, I'll be able to get it right. So you can see it's gummy. You see it's gummy because of the gelatin. So I'll be applying to my face. Good for acne, takes off your spots. So guys, here is my face. I look so scary right now. I've applied my peelable charcoal mask. I'm not gonna wash this off, but I will peel it off. So I will wait when it gets dry, then I peel it off. Watch this video to the end because I have a secret to tell you. If you know you want to make this, if you know you want to be producing this for sale, you want to start selling this, then watch this video to the end because I will tell you how to go about it. So guys, I'm back. I can't talk properly because you know my face is somehow tight. Yeah, I can't talk properly. So I want to peel off this. Yeah, I want to peel it off. I thought it's gonna come out in one piece, but because this is a charcoal mask, the charcoal mask has, you know, particles in it that is not that smooth. It's not gonna come out in one piece. Wow, wow, I wish you can see the white head. Like, can you see white heads? Can you see this? Can you see white heads? Oh, I'm trying to capture this, but my camera is not capturing what I asked it to capture. Can you see the white heads there? God, can you see this white edge? Can you see it? Can you see the white edge? God, it pulled out all the white heads. Can you see? Pulled out the white heads. Can you see that? Can you see? Can you see white head? So guys, I don't want to peel out this side because I don't want my brows to pull out. So when I just get to the bedroom and I wet my face, it will just come off easily. So far so good. I'm done with my facial marks. Can you see the white edge now? Can you see can you see the white edge? Whiteheads, blackhead, everything came out. These marks, pull them out. Whitehead, blackhead, the marks pulled everything out. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be updated when I upload a new video. And if you want to sell this, add 0.5% German plus preservative. 0.5% German plus preservative. So let's assume you're making 50 grams of this peelable charcoal face mask. You're making 50 grams of it. Add 0.5% of 50 grams preservative into this. to preserve it. It will preserve it up to 1 year, so you can package and sell. Put your sticker, package with a nice cup, then you sell. So thank you very much for watching my video. I feel so relieved, like the black marks, like this charcoal peelable marks, detoxify your face because of the green tea. You know, it detoxify the skin of your face. It clears your acne. It's the lemon oil serves as a face brightener. The charcoal marks, very good for acne. And excess oil, it controls the production of excess oil on your face. Then the bentonite clay, very good for acne prone skin also. So guys, thank you very much. Bye, good night.